Okay, we're going to be talking about dividing a distance today. So I have a line and I have a starting point marked on my line, and I have my compass that I'm setting to a distance, and what that distance is doesn't really matter. I'm just picking that distance just because. And so I'm going to use that as my distance. That's going to be one of whatever distance that happens to be. I'm going to call it a Fred. So that's one Fred. If I want to divide the distance of Fred in half, I can use my compass. Now I've made a little bit shorter than that unit. It doesn't really matter. As long as it's more than half. I'm going to draw an arc on my paper. And then I'm going to pick my point on the other end of Fred, or my distance of one Fred. I'm going to draw another arc. Like so. Now, that gives me 2 points, 1 point here and 1 point here, that are of an equal distance apart. And if I then use a straight edge, and I put the point of my pencil or pen on that point, and my pen down at that point, make sure that my straight edge is right on those 2 points, and then I draw a line, I've just achieved two things. One is that this distance here, the distance between these 2 points and these 2 points, this is one Fred, this is exactly half of a Fred, and this is half of a Fred. And the other thing is that this line that goes this way is exactly perpendicular to the line that goes this way. That's exactly 90 degrees. And so this point right here, that's a square angle. So that's the two things we can achieve very quickly using a compass and a straight edge to divide a distance in half and to find a perpendicular mark.